Say cheese! Yo guys, this is Viman Lal here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. In this lockdown, I was really bored and was looking for some treasures in my house. So I opened my grandparents' cupboard and I found this. This is a classic folding camera. It is made in Germany by Agfa, which is a German brand. This camera was bought by my great-grandfather in the 1950s. It was passed on to my grandmother, then my father, and now it's with me. So what are we waiting for? Let's review it. This camera was packed in a beautiful leather case. This is pure leather and it is also manufactured by Agfa. On the bottom, it has a screw. It holds the camera in the case. Now let's open it up. It reads Agfa Isolette 1, made in Germany. This camera was manufactured in the 1950s and it is the first generation of the Isolette series. It's quite heavy and bulky if compared to the new generations of camera. Now let's see the top plate. This camera has an aluminium top plate. Now let's see the back. To open the back, I need to push this lock. Wow, it's so clean. This is the lens and here we put the films. As I can read, this requires the 120 film. On the top, the camera has few buttons. This one is for winding up the film. This one is for opening the shutter and this one is for clicking pictures. Now let's open the shutter. Wow! If you look around the rings, you will see a few numbers. These are used to adjust some settings of the camera, like the shutter speed settings. This camera runs without a battery. That's an advantage, but you need to set all the settings manually. This camera is a masterpiece. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you like the video, please share it with your family and friends. Till then, bye.